Hey guys, and welcome back to my one-room apartment. My name is Kevin and I'm super excited to show you guys this video that is gonna be about Luna Park. That is basically 10 minutes away from where I live, and it's one of the best amusement parks here in Ayia, Napa. It's totally free to go in and it's something you just have to see by yourself. If you're an adrenaline junkie or if you just are here for the candy floss, there's everything that you can do at this small little park actually. So let's just dive right into it. As you saw there, it was a little bit of a sneak peek about the park, and now I'm actually gonna tell you more about the park itself, about some of the attractions that is my favorites, and a little bit more what you can do while actually visiting this park. So one of my favorite rides was actually, as it's called, Music Express. It's a very basic ride actually. So it just spins around and you go around and then you go backwards and stuff, but it's very fast. And I just enjoy those rides that are very simple because I'm a bit afraid of rides, so I just enjoy the simple stuff. There is some I have gone through that is a bit more scary, but I'll talk about that very soon. There's also the Rolling Stones one that like spins around at the same time. It goes like this. You've probably seen it before. It's probably not called the Rolling Stones, but you know which one I mean. And those ones are some of my favorites. There's also looping roller coaster, and it's actually pretty cool. I haven't been on it myself, but I need to go on it soon because it looks really awesome. So I will show you some footage I have here from the park, and we're just gonna talk about it at the same time. You wanna go on the ghost train? It's right here. You'll never see me go on this one, but I challenge you guys to go on it. Here you have a map of the whole park and what is where. It's a good thing to have, because sometimes you can feel lost, even if it's not that big of a park. Don't forget to go into the big wheel when you enter in Luna Park, because it's a really nice view. It's so far up and you get to see like whole Ayia Napa from up there, and it's just totally mind-blowing to go up. And it's just a either romantic thing or just something really relaxing and cool to go up here and see it for yourself. It's like a drone's or bird's eyes view of the whole place. Luna Park is almost located in the center of Ayia Napa. It's a perfect place to stay close to this site if you're gonna go to Ayia Napa, for example. I have the perfect link for you down below from TripAdvisor, where you can see all the most beautiful hotels around this area in Ayia Napa. Get a nice hotel that is very close to all the best places here is. For example, close to the harbor, close to Nisi Beach, or even close to the Luna Park. Like all these very nice places that you don't want to miss. You can get a hotel that is just perfect for your fit. So check it out down below. We'll continue the video. Here in Luna Park, you can either go to the big slingshot and get your adrenaline rush instantly. It shoots you up 90 meters up in the air. I will show you footage of my two friends that went on it. It's Rob and Michael, and I will link them down here below. It's some footage from when they went, because I'm afraid of heights, so I didn't go, so I wasn't that brave as they are. That's just how it is sometimes, so I'm just gonna show it right here.
Alright, here you go, Good luck! Here we go. That's the best feeling ever! God! Stop it! Oh,
Turn it to the right to the beach.
Yes. Oh, Jesus. We're getting up that bit, lad. No, that's new. Oh, so good.
As you can see, it looks just super scary and it's not something for me, but it's just super fun to see these guys enjoy it, and Rob almost feeling like he's gonna die in this ride. It's just amazing to see them having a great time at the park, and you can have as much fun as they had on this ride. And as I said, if you want to follow Michael or Rob on Instagram, I will link them down below, because they make really nice daily vlogs on their Instagram accounts, and it's pretty enjoyable actually in watching them. So just a big shout out to those guys and my fantastic colleagues. So if you want to spend a fantastic night out, an unforgettable day here in Ayia, Napa, I suggest you go to Luna Park, because it's truly amazing. And if you are like me that don't enjoy the super big rides, there's small carousels for families, or you can just play some awesome games and win some really nice prizes around the whole park. And also a bonus, there's plenty of food in this place to eat, and also these small bars where you also get some really nice meals. Okay, so guys, I'm thinking about starting a Facebook group or some other group so we can build a community together about people that loves destinations or something else that is related to this channel, and help each other out. It would be really cool if we could start a project like this and we can just have a private group, build a big community together. It's gonna be really cool. So tell me down below what you think about this. Okay guys, so I'm starting to lose my light right now because it's getting dark very early here in Ayia, Napa. But I thank you so much for watching the video. Is there anything I forgot to mention about Luna Park? Please tell me. Or if you have anything else as an advice for me to tell, just hit me up below. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you actually next week when I'm coming up with a new video. Have a really great week and see you soon. Bye.